आगाज तेरे नाम से ए कारे साजे दो जहां, रहमत तेरी सबसे सिवा तू सबसे बढ़कर मेहरबान.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very good morning to our respected principal, distinguished chief guest, and honorable dignitaries, and dear parents. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 12th annual day celebration of our kindergarten. I, Sheikh Rabia,
And I, Zaman Jum, welcome you all on the
behalf of the CIS family.
Today is a joyful occasion where innocence meets imagination and learning blossoms into creativity. We are highly honored to have you all with us today.
say,
Janab Fayaz Khan, Director of ATC Group of Company.
Feroz Khan, President of ATC Foundation,
Mohammad Naziruddin, Joint Secretary of ATC Foundation.
Mr. Samir Khan and Akbar Khadri, member of ATC Foundation.
Mr. Irfan Khan Saudagar, Lecturer of Sir Syed College and Advisor of CIS.
We are gathered here to celebrate the beautiful journey of growth, discovery, and joy of our tiny tots. So, get ready for a day filled with excitement, entertainment, and achievements. We thank you for sparing time from your busy schedule to be here with us today.
This platform showcases us not just performances, but the confidence, curiosity, and character being nurtured in our young learners. So sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the morning filled with enthusiasm, talent, and boundless smile. Our school is committed to 360-degree holistic development of every child. We focus not only on academics, but also on values, creativity, sports, arts, activities, and life skill. We help children to grow into balanced and happy individual.
अल्फाज कम पड़ जाए तारीफ के लिए, अल्फाज कम पड़ जाए तारीफ के लिए, पाकीज़ा जैसी क़यादत नसीब से मिलती है.
The captain of our ship, the guiding light of our institution, please welcome our principal, Mrs. Sheikh Pakiza ma'am, as she navigates us through the annual report.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Honorable members of management, parents, dedicated teachers, and my dear students, good morning to one and all. It's a privilege to welcome you all for our kindergarten annual function for Crescent International School, a special occasion where we celebrate the growth, learning, and achievement of our youngest learners. At Crescent International School, we strongly believe that each and every child is a diamond, full of hidden potentials. With right guidance, care, and nurturing environment, we polish these diamonds to help them shine brightly. Our school is committed to unlocking the unique potential of every child and shaping them with strong values, confidence, and joyful love for learning. With great pride, I present an annual report for our kindergarten for the academic year 2025-26. The academic year commenced with Parents-Teachers Orientation Program, which provided parents with overview of our curriculum, teaching methodologies, and nurturing environment for our school. This session helped in building a strong and meaningful partnership between home and school. The reopening of the school marked an important milestone, especially for many children who were stepped out for their homes for the very first time. We witnessed teary eyes, hesitant steps, and anxious faces. However, with the warm patience and affection of our teachers, those tears soon turned into smiles, and the children gradually settled into the school environment with confidence and comfort. During the same month, children celebrated Green Day, where they were introduced to the color green through clothes, objects, and engaging classroom activities. The school activity helped children understand the concept of home, family members, and sense of belongings. This was followed by a mobile awareness activity conducted by the teachers to create awareness about the responsible use of mobile phones. Children were gently guided to reduce screen time and were encouraged to engage more in play, interaction, and life experience. One of the most enjoyable activity was a monsoon activity, where the children experienced the joy of playing the rain within the school premises. This hands-on activity allowed them to feel and enjoy the rainy season, making learning enjoyable and memorable. During July and August, children participated in the Fruits Fiesta activity, where they learned to identify different fruits and understand the importance of good health. Independence Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm, instilling the sense of patriotism and pride in your young learners. A meaningful field trip to Prozone Mall was organized as a part of buying and selling activity, where children learn basic concept of purchasing, payment, and exchange through real-life experience. Blue Day was celebrated to help children recognize the color blue through attire, objects, and their surroundings. An activity on sensory organs, focusing on sense of smell, promoted experiential and hands-on learning. A special storytelling event was organized by our teachers, where children enjoyed listening to imaginative stories filled with fun, activity, and values. In September, children introduced to community helpers through hands-on activity and visits to different places, helping them understand the importance of people who serve society. Fruit Chart Day was conducted using a variety of fruits, enabling children to learn about different fruits, their taste, flavors, and varieties. Red Day further strengthened color recognition skill. A food without fire activity was actively participation from mothers, made learning practical, engaging, and enjoyable. Children were introduced to means of transport, followed by enriching visits to farm and the zoo, which helped them understand the differentiate between farm animals and wild animals through real life explore. In October, Yellow Day was celebrated, helping children understand the brightness and importance of the color. The rhyme and rhythm activity enhanced language skills, coordination, self-expression through music and movement. In November, a personal hygiene activity taught children the importance of cleanliness and healthy habits. Children's Day was celebrated with fun-filled activities, making the day special and memorable for our little ones. Black and White Day helped children understand contrast and sharpen their visual recognition skills. In December, English Day was celebrated to encourage early learning development by boost confidence. This is followed by Pink Day, which brought creativity, excitement, and joy into the classroom. The much-awaited pajama party added comfort, laughter, and happiness to the school life. Dressed in colorful pajamas, children enjoyed a relaxed and cheerful day filled with fun activities and togetherness. This event created a homely atmosphere in school and strengthened bonding among the children while making learning enjoyable. The Color Fiesta was held a vibrant celebration where children were introduced to various variety of colors through fun-filled, hands-on activities. This event enhanced color recognition, creativity, and sensory learning, making the experience joyful and engaging for our young learners. We look forward for several exciting upcoming activities, including field trip to our historical monument, Purple Day, Water Play, and Graduation Day, which will further enrich our children learning experience through fun and hands-on engagement. With pre-primary section, annual plan, and upcoming activities outlined, I would like to share a few key achievements and was organized for a higher grades of Crescent International School. Although these activities belong to the senior classes, they reflect the institution, broader education, mission, and motivate our young learners. The investiture ceremony was conducted to instill leadership quality, responsibility, and discipline among students. Crescent International School strongly emphasizes on physical development of students by organizing Sports Day, which encouraged fitness, discipline, teamwork, and sportsmanship. In addition to this, Arisha, a student of grade 10, brought great pride to our school by winning a gold medal in DSO hammer throw event organized by the district level. One little genius received a certificate for excellence in the digital learning program, highlighting early technological awareness. Students of Crescent International School participated in Adhya Parliament held at Stepping Stone School, where they showcased confidence, awareness of leadership skills. The school was also signed an MOU with Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College, or opening new avenues for academic collaboration with further growth. To enhance communication and speaking skills, the school regularly organized debate competition, encouraging students to express their idea confidently. Crescent International School equal importance on the academic, creative, and connective development of their students by encouraging them to participate in wide range of competitions. Our students participated and overshine in abacus competition, showcased their creativity in drawing competitions organized by the Lokmat, and demonstrated strong language proficiency by taking part in the dictation leg organized by Talent Hub, bringing pride to our recognizing to the institution. Crescent International School has also organized a STEM fair titled Future 2.0, which was a grand success. Students showcase innovative ideas, models demonstrating creativity, problem-solving skills, and independent thinking. Furthermore, students presented an impressive PowerPoint presentation at the science seminar organized by Minds and Motion during the Educational Expo 2025. With participation from various schools across the city, Crescent International School proudly bagged the first position in both categories, highlighting the students' excellence, confidence, and academic competence. In continuation of these achievements, Crescent International School organized the Inter-School Elocution Competition, which witnesses the enthusiastic participation from several schools. Our school bagged the first prize in both the junior and senior categories. However, as a host institution, Crescent International School graciously awarded the prizes to the runner-up, upholding fairness and sportsmanship-like spirit and making the event a memorable success. All these activities were thoughtfully planned to ensure the holistic development of our students, physically, mentally, socially, and intellectually. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our school management for their vision, guidance, and continuous support. I sincerely appreciate our dedicated teachers for their commitment, creativity, and tireless efforts. Most importantly, I thank our respected parents for trusting Crescent International School and for being a strong partners of your child's educational journey. With this, I conclude my annual report for the academic year 2025. Thank you, welcome, and enjoy your day with the children. And I now hand over the mic to Zama and Rabia for the further program. Thank you.
Before we proceed with the program, I want to make an important announcement to the parents. The child's performance shall definitely leave you spellbound. You can expect a complete entertaining day ahead.
So, kindly appreciate and encourage our tiny stars with thunderous applause after every act. Your child is going to shine on stage. It's a kind request to collect your award only after the program gets over and not in between.
To mark the propitious start of this memorable morning, we invite our talented student to present a melodious welcome song. Welcome one and all today, expressing our joy and gratitude for your gracious presence.
Welcome one and all today. We're so glad you came our way. Smiling faces, hearts so bright. Fill this hall with joy and light. Every dream we share today, every step we take inside, starts with love, starts with cheer. We're so happy you are here. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Let's celebrate as one. A new day has now begun. Join the joy and fun. Welcome, welcome, parents dear. Friends from far and near. Let the magic fill the air. With laughter everywhere. Students shine on center stage, turning dreams from page to page. Together we learn, together we grow, ready to shine, ready to glow. Voices rising strong and clear. This is our special time of year. Feel the rhythm, feel the song. Come and sing along. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Let's celebrate as one. A new day has now begun. Join the joy and fun. Welcome, welcome, all today. Let your worries fade away. With our hearts we wish to say a warm welcome your way.
Rabia Miss, do you know kindness is not a big or difficult thing? It begins with small actions like caring, sharing, helping, and using polite words.
Exactly. When children learn kindness at an early age, they grow into caring, understanding, and responsible individuals.
So let us encourage our young learners by putting our hands together to enjoy the kindness song by our senior KG students.
When we smile, the world feels bright. Kindness makes the day just right. Hold a hand or share a toy. Kindness brings us so much joy. Do the kindness dance. Clap, 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 give a little love and get it back. Spin around and stomp your feet. Kindness makes
वक्त सबके पास है मगर देने का हौसला नहीं. बच्चे सवालों में उलझे हैं और पेरेंट्स स्क्रीन में कहीं. One of the biggest challenge in today's parenting is the lack of quality attention given to the children.
True, earlier years, parents may not have had much time, but family interactions were more direct and distraction free. To make us realize, here comes our junior KG students to present a screenplay, Raising Children Across Generations.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे और दिल के मासूम होते हैं. बचपन सिर्फ एक बार आता है, सब खूब आता है और अपनी छाप जिंदगी भर के लिए छोड़ जाता है. आजकल की भागदौड़ वाली जिंदगी में किस रफ्तार से बचपन दौड़ रहा है, घर घर की कहानियों की दुनिया छोड़ पता नहीं किस और मुड़ रहा है. तो आइए सांस लीजिए थाम, मस्तिष्क को दीजिए थोड़ा विश्राम और देखिए लगाकर पूरा ध्यान. हाय बच्चे की कहानी, हाय बच्चे की कहानी. ना कोई राजा ना कोई रानी, सुन लो हमारी जुबानी. वही जागो 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 जागो. मैं थोड़ा और सोना चाहता हूँ, सबको मैं खोना चाहता हूँ. ओ नहीं, जागो नींद आता है, सपने वो थे जागो सोने नहीं देते हैं. नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये सब मेरे लिए नहीं है, ये सब आप बड़ों के लिए. मैं तो अभी बच्चा हूँ, अकल का कच्चा हूँ. मन की बात बताता हूँ और दिल की बात पूछता हूँ. क्या आपका बचपन भी ऐसा था? तो फिर कैसा था? मैं बताऊँ कैसे भूल जाए वो बचपन की नानी घर की मस्ती, जी भर के खाना और पीना नानी के हाथों की लस्सी. मेरा बचपन बीता माँ के आंचल में, पिता के गोद में, मक्खन मेरे सामने खाते हुए और गले और शाम शाम खेतों में झूला झूलते हुए और गले बिजली जाने पर छतों पर सोते हुए, चांद की बातें करते हुए, तारों को गिनते हुए. चांद तारे ये क्या होता है? ये मून और स्टार. अच्छा, उनको देखने और गिनने के लिए छत पर जाने की क्या जरूरत है? ये तो मेरी मैम मुझे नोटबुक में ही दे देती है. बाप रे बड़े बड़े बैग, बाप रे मोटी मोटी किताबें, नदी ऐसी ये और मोबाइल. बढ़ती तो बस मासूमियत और एक प्यारी सी हंसी. के पास भी वक्त नहीं है। क्यों, क्या करते हैं तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा? बताऊं, मेरी मम्मी क्या करती है?
चल बेटा सेल्फी ले ले रे। चल बेटा सेल्फी ले ले रे।
व्हाट्सएप कैंडी क्रश में मस्त है, किटी पार्टी में व्यस्त है। मुझे स्कूल भेजने की जल्दी है, चाहे मेरा टिफिन अनहेल्दी है। सारे सीरियल्स जैसे देखते हैं जैसे हमारे ही घर की कहानी हो। जो ड्रेस एक्ट्रेस ने पहनी है वो उनको सिलवानी है। ऑफिस से घर और घर के ऑफिस के बीच में ऐसी उलझी है मेरी मॉम, भूल जाती है मेरे सैंडल्स। तो बस www.shabi.com, कभी फ्लिपकार्ट, कभी अमेज़न, कभी बिग बास्केट, नहीं जाना पड़ता है मार्केट। जाती है तो बस कभी जिम, कभी सैलून, कभी पार्क। पापा हो जाते हैं परेशान जब जब लगती है इन एप्पल सेल सेल सेल। जब मम्मी ने एक बार कमेंटमेंट कर दी तो पापा अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनते। पैसों के भीड़ में, न्यानों की भीड़ में, पैसों के ढेर में बिजी रहते हैं 24/7 करते काम, ना देखते दिन ना देखते शाम, ना कोई बात ना ही आराम। मम्मी को कुछ दिलवाते हैं, हमें भी कुछ दिलवाना पड़ता है। पापा को इस बात के लिए कितना अक्साना पड़ता है। मम्मी को तो खुश रखते हो, कभी हमें भी खुश रख लिया करो। मम्मी को छोड़कर कभी किसी और से भी डर लिया करो। पापा के पास है BMW कार, डोलर अमार, iPhone 16, बैंड पेन एंड फिक्स। सब तेरे लिए कमाते हैं, तेरे लिए कमाते हैं। नहीं जाओ मैं टैप और वाटर, हमें दे आपका समय और प्यार। खेलो, कुछ अपनी बिताओ, हमारे साथ अपना बचपन तो बिताओ। 1 2 हमें एक और 1 2 3 4 हम करेंगे शो। टाइम लो थोड़ा, टाइम ये बेकार की टेंशन, हमें दो थोड़ा और अटेंशन। मम्मी पापा हमें और समय दीजिए ना।
Let us welcome our today's guest, Feroz Khan Sir, President of ATC Foundation, and Mr. Irfan Khan Saudagar Sir, Lecturer of Sir Syed College and Advisor of CIS.
To proceed further, now I hand over the mic to our principal, Mrs. Sheikh Pakiza ma'am.
Good teacher can never be erased. They leave mark that last for a lifetime. With these words, I would like to take a moment and request our attention as we celebrate the teachers who have completed 10 years and 5 years of the dedicated service at Crescent International School, acknowledging their valuable contribution to our students' growth. I delightfully call the dignitaries to please come up on the stage. Now first, Mr. Tayyab Ali sir, he has completed 10 years of his dedicated service to our institution. Please clap for him. Now I request Feroz sir and Irfan sir to please do the honor. He has given almost a decade to us. Alhamdulillah. The next is 5 years completion. Aisha Khan, she has given 5 years to our institution. Next is Samra Siddiqui. She has also completed 5 years with us. Next is Nizamuddin sir. He has also given 5 years to us. He is teaching Arabic to our 8, 9, 10 standard students. Next is teachers' regularity. 100% attendance, complete attendance for the teachers also we have started. She is coming daily to the school to serve our children, to give the quality education. Next is Masira Anam. She has completed 100% attendance. Big round of applause. Now, with this, one more awards are there, like the non-teaching staff, like our maids, khalas. They have completed 10 years with us. We are honoring them cash prize. May I request Farida Khala to please come up. She has given 10 years to our school. Morning 7 to 7. They are giving their 100%. Next is Razia Khala. She has also given 10 years to us. Very hardworking. Next is Afsari Khala. She has given 10 years to us. Next is her husband, Rafiq Bhai, our watchman. He has also completed 10 years. Khala just received the award. Is he there? He came. There. He was standing at the door. His duty. See, still is doing the duty. Very dedicated. Both of them. He's crying. See? Tears in their eyes. Thank you, sir. Now you may sit in the audience, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir Feroz Khan and Mr. Irfan Khan Saudagar, sorry for the inconvenience, kindly come up on the stage. We have furthermore awards. Zamamas, now it's time to celebrate the little stars of knowledge. We are thrilled to honor the academic toppers of our kindergarten.
Yes, Rabia Miss, the young minds that have shown exceptional curiosity, hard work and brilliance. Let's give a big round of applause as we recognize these shining stars of success. Now, I would like to request Mr. Irfan Khan sir to give away the trophies and certificates. To begin with, we have from Nursery A, we have Hassan Ahmed, Rehan Ahmed Qadri, Hussein Ahmed, Rehan Ahmed Qadri.
Parents kindly appreciate our toppers.
Mohammad Zohan Sadiq Pathan. साजिद अहमद, पठान इनाया खान मोइन खान,
From Nursery B, Mirza Imad Beg, Mirza Javed Beg. Hamza Johe Mullah. Yusuf Shehbaz Qureshi. Asif Sheikh Karim. Asim Sheikh Karim. Noora Sheikh Saad.
from Nursery C, Sheikh Abdul Rahman Nazim. Parents, please give them a big round of applause. Khan Arshil Muzaffar, Sheikh Shazeb Abdul Junaid, Sheikh Shazeb Abdul Junaid, Sayyid Aliza Sikandar, Sayyid Inaya Imran. Parent, please encourage our shining stars. Durrani Seher Amir.
Aisha Habib Hamza. From Nursery D, Biyabani Hamza, Biyabani Riyaz. Parents, please appreciate. Khan Anabia Imran.
Junior KG A Abu Bakr Jafar Siddiqui. Junior KG B Sheikh Rushda Mohammad Yasir. जूनियर KG C मोहम्मद कोठियावाला यासिर कोठियावाला. जूनियर KG D आयशा फातिमा नवीद शेख. जूनियर KG E सैयद अबू बकर सैयद जाहिद.
From Senior KG A, Sayyid Maaz Sayyid Nisar. Again from Senior KG A, Sheikh Safwan Sheikh Shoaib. From Senior KG B, Arhan Fahad Al Kesari. From Senior KG B, Yusuf Imad Ahmed. From Senior KG B, Aiza Israr Deshmukh. Again from Senior KG B, Myra Faisal Wadwan. From Senior KG C, Farooqi Zainab Iftikhar. From Senior KG C, Khan Idris Khan Khizr. From Senior KG D, Abdur Rahman Mohammad Hussain. Barira Taqdees Abraruddin. From Senior KGE, Mohammad Sofyan Khan Javed Khan. Senior KGE, Arishfa Khan Arshad Khan. Parents kindly appreciate. Senior KGE, Haider Khan Nimroz Khan. From Junior KGF, Fatima Bukhari Abu Bakar Bukhari.
From higher section, Hania Rahat Zoebuddin bagged the first prize for inter-school elocution competition, which was organized by our school. And Sheikh Madiha Muzammil, she also bagged the first prize in junior category of inter-school competition.
Parents kindly appreciate our students. Thank you so much, sir. Zamamis, where are we going next? Can you guide us?
Yes, we are going on a fun jungle trip full of animals, music and masti. Now it's time to enter the magical jungle full of fun and rhythm. Here our tiny explorers are ready to take us on a musical jungle journey.
Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
We are the best, you can call us Ballu, we love honey. Look, Bogri, a tea full of honey. Gobi will up, peel happy toss up, for the gobi will touch. No honey, no happiness. We are Panthers. You can call us Bagheera. Hey Mowgli, let's play hide and seek. 50 have to be careful. The jungle can be dangerous. Hello everyone, my name is Ka. Trust me, Mowgli. I know many secrets of the jungle. Come, Crow Jackson. You are looking sleepy. My name is Akela, the brave wolf leader. Mowgli is our family. Now howl with me. Ow! Hello everyone. We are Tiger. You can call us Sher Khan. No matter how fast you run, no matter where you hide, I will catch you. This jungle is mine. Fear me, little one. Let down the jungle got the dog.
Sit down, everyone. Sit down. Sit down, girls.
पेड़ों में ताली बजी, पेड़ों में ताली बजी, पत्तों की सीटी बजी,
अजी हंसी मची बच्चों की।
मोर की लहरी हिरन सुनहरी उछल रहा है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी
Well done. You all made the jungle come alive with your energetic performance. Let's give our tiny performers a big round of applause.
Rabia miss, tell me honestly, do you love coming to school every single day in such cold morning, leaving the comfort of the house?
No, sometimes I feel like bus at school nahi jana main.
Looks like we all agree here. Here comes our little performers from nursery with the fun song School Nahi Jana Main.
Get ready to laugh, clap and enjoy the cute tantrums.
सुबह सुबह ये उठा देते हैं, मुझको फिर नहला देते हैं, पहना के यूनिफॉर्म ये जल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट करवा देते हैं। बात सुनो आज घर से बाहर पैर नहीं पाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, हाँ हाँ स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं। खेलने भी ना देती है, बिट पढ़ने बस चिल्लाती है, होमवर्क न करके जाओ तो टीचर भी डांट लगाती है। मम्मी खेलने भी ना देती है, बिट पढ़ने बस चिल्लाती है, होमवर्क न करके जाओ तो टीचर भी डांट लगाती है। बात सुनो मेरी सारे बुक्स को हाथ नहीं लाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, हाँ हाँ स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं। सच्ची सैड बड़ी सिचुएशन, पहले स्कूल जाओ फिर ट्यूशन, संडे भी ना लेने दे, हाय जान पे इतनी टेंशन, बेटे पढ़ के कर जाएगा बड़ा आदमी बन जाएगा, माँ बाप का नाम तो रोशन वीन रांझे कर जाएगा। पापा आपकी बातों में फिर से नहीं आना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए पापा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए पापा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, हाँ हाँ स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं।
Amazing. The performance was super cute and entertaining. Zama miss, do you feel the happiness in the air today?
Yes, smiles, laughter, and lots of positive vibes on the stage, behind the stage, everywhere.
To make the day even happier, our nursery children are coming up on the stage with the beautiful song Such a Happy Day.
Been looking at the sky for a little while, watch the clouds roll by and I start to smile, and as the plane flies past I give a friendly wave, and then I think about you, what a happy day. And I fly like a pilot. I'm as strong as a lion. I'm as high as the mountain in the sky. And I jump like a kangaroo. I swim to be close to you. I shake you by the hand. We'll be friends till the end. This is such a happy day. Sha la 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 la. This is such a happy day. Sha la 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 la. Hey, what a happy day. Sha la 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 la. This is such a happy day. Sha la 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 la. And I fly like a pilot. I'm as strong as a lion. I'm as high as a mountain in the sky. This is such a happy day. Sha la 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 la. This is such a happy day. Sha la 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 la. Hey, what a happy day. Sha la 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 la. This is such a happy day. Sha la 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 la. And I fly, fly, fly like a pilot. I'm as strong, strong, strong as the lion. I'm as high, high, high as the mountain in the sky. And I jump, jump, jump like a kangaroo. I swim, swim, swim to be close to you. I shake, shake, shake you by the hand. We'll be friends till the end. This is such a happy day. Sha la la la. This is such a happy day. Sha la 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 la. What a happy, happy day. Sha la 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 la. This is such a happy day. Sha la 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 la. This is such a happy day. This is such a happy day. Sha la 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 la. This is such a happy day.
Well done, our little stars. Your smile made our day truly happy.
जब दिलों में कुरान के इल्म का नूर रोशन होता है, फिर वो इल्म आमाल में ढलता है तो जिंदगी के अंधेरे दूर हो जाते हैं और जिंदगी आसान हो जाती है.
Now, here we have KKG student with a Dinyat skit, Quran के साथ अंधेरों से रोशनी का सफर.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फिल कुरानिल मजीद सूरतु इब्राहीम आयत नंबर 1. अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम. बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. अलिफ लाम रा. किताबुन أنزلناه إليك لتخرج الناس من الظلمات إلى النور بإذن ربهم إلى صراط العزيز الحميد. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. तर्जुमा. अलिफ लाम रा. ए नबी, ये एक किताब है जो हमने तुम पर नाजिल की है ताकि तुम लोगों को उनके रब के हुक्म से अंधेरों से निकालकर रोशनी में ले आओ. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, बेशक अल्लाह ताला तुम्हारी सूरतों और मालों को नहीं देखता बल्कि तुम्हारे दिल और आमाल को देखता है. कुरान और हदीस की रोशनी में हमें ये बात मालूम होती है कि हमें अपने ज़ाहिर से ज़्यादा अपने दिल और अमाल को खूबसूरत बनाने की ज़रूरत है. जिस्म का क्या है, ये तो खाक में ही मिलने वाला है. चलो रूह को सजाते हैं जो रब से मिलने वाली है. अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. We are the senior KG students of section A, B and C who are going to present a dialogue skit कुरान के साथ अंधेरों से रोशनी का सफर.